Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna feed the dogs with adobo rice na may atay ng baboy and 100% healthy nutrition original beef dog food para healthy sila. Yan. I'm gonna add more. And then you're just gonna mix it. And that'll be good. I've gotta say they are gonna love this one because meron siyang atay. Favorite po nila yung atay. You can feed them naman po atay as long as hindi sila allergic. So, may mga dogs na allergic sa atay ng manok, ganun. Kaya, to be safe, sa akin na lang, atay ng baboy. Para safe talaga. Yan. Para mas malasa siya, mas magana silang kumain. Hi guys, so these are our pets. This is Starker and Buddy. Starker is the one with the gray hair and Buddy is the one with the brown hair. And these are just two of our pets. We have more pets pa nandun sila sa labas, so we're gonna feed them in a short while.
By the way guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit like and subscribe. That'll mean so much to me. And yeah, moving forward, let's go and see what's up. So guys, I'm here outside the house and this is Kai Kai, the one with the brown hair, and Sue's with the gray hair. So also here we got Diggs, the police dog, was also eating.
Hi Sparks! This is Sparks and Oreo. They were sick, pero they're getting better na. No, love doon. And guys, kain sila. Eat well kayo guys. Para mas madali kayong gumaling. Aww. Oreo. This is Oreo once again. This is Smarts. Smarts and Oreo. Oreo. Would you like to say something, Oreo? Oreo. Oh, wait. Oreo. Oreo 92.9 FM.